The Organics group of companies has been carrying out commercial activities for more than 30 years. We've diversified into different areas of environmental engineering, moving from the control of pollution associated with waste management to the conversion of these same pollutants into fuels suitable for the generation of renewable energy. We have offices in the United Kingdom, Thailand, Spain, the USA, Malaysia and Jakarta in Indonesia. Indonesia is the world's top producer and exporter of palm oil. One of the major problems related to its production is the management of the wastewater generated. Our technology is specifically designed to reduce environmental liability and convert what is commonly seen as a problem into a valuable resource. In Indonesia, we have already built and installed several plants to treat the wastewater from industries such as tapioca and palm oil production. Such plants enable operators to not only fulfill their environmental obligations, but also to ensure that their operations maintain commercial efficiency. An example of this is the Sinar Mas project in Kalimantan, where the Organics Group installed a closed lagoon bioreactor at a palm oil extraction plant owned by the Sinar Mas Group, one of the largest palm oil production companies in Indonesia. This bioreactor treats the high levels of COD found in the palm oil mill effluent, whilst ensuring that the methane gas produced does not escape to the atmosphere but is captured and used in a boiler to raise steam. Another example is at the Tedco cassava mill in Sumatra, where the Organics Group installed a closed anaerobic bioreactor. The bioreactor treats the high levels of COD found in the mill effluent and captures the resultant methane gas, which is used to produce electricity to run the mill. This not only reduces the emission of greenhouse gases, but also produces heat and energy, considerably improving the commercial efficiency of the cassava mill. The Organics Group continues to install renewable energy and pollution control facilities as the search for a more sustainable interaction with our environment becomes increasingly urgent.